Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Aarti Bhatt. I am the dance teacher of LP Savani Vidya Bhavan English Medium School. In last session we started new choreography and it is arm choreography, sitting choreography, and your song was Sanam Re. And today we are going to finish that choreography. So first, as you all know, we will do it without music and then we will do it with the music. So let's get started. First you have to take sitting position. Our last session, last step was 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This was the last session's last step. Now we are going to start with new steps and it is Hole Hole Zindagi Ko. So Hole Hole Zindagi. So 4 times you have to hit back. See, this position you have already taken, 1 and 2 you already did. Then this hand only and you have to hit back, 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 back. Now while hitting back, your hands will come down, 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 down. Here it will come. You have to make straight line. Afterwards you have to open your hands. You have to take it nearby your leg, round it, hold it, front, wave. See, this is very simple. 1 2 3 4 5 6, front, wave. Okay, 5 6 7 go. हौले हौले जिंदगी को अब तेरे ही नाम करूं. So 4 steps. You have to take your one hand, the other hand. See, now I am using my shoulders and my wrist. From wrist to palm I am moving this also and my shoulders also. One front shoulder going back, then front shoulder going back, back, back. It will come 4 times. So we have finished here till hole hole zindagi ko बस तेरे हवाले करूं. 4 steps we have finished. Now Sanam Re, our lyrics, important lyrics. Now from here we have to do, we have to look down here and wave, 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 wave 4 times. Fine. See, all steps are in 4 count. 1 2 3 and 4. You have to look down here. 4 step. Then both the hands will go here and you will look here and you will bend little bit 1. Then this hand will go up and this hand will go straight 2. See, I am bending little bit while this side I am bending this side, while doing this side I am bending the opposite side. Then both the hand front side, you have to move your hand inside, inside and here. 5 6 7 go. 1, you have to look here, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. And now on lyrics. Sanam re, sanam re, tu mera sanam hua re. Sanam 2 times here, 3 and 4. See, you have to look here. Then na 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 na. Fine. While doing this side I will look this side. While doing this side I will look here. Then in front I will look and inside here. Now while rotating wrist you have to take care that your hand should go inside. So this is outer side circle. Going, if you are telling that going somewhere to out. If you are telling coming, then you have to tell this sign. So hand sign, it should be inside. While praying Garba we are doing inside and outside both. So I am explaining you that inside we are taking in, we are taking in, we are taking in and here. In this step also I have done the inside. So inside, remember your wrist rotation will be inside rotation everywhere. Okay. Now here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 तू मेरा करम हुआ रे. This will be the line. I need to say lyrics will be there. Na 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 na. And see, as I have told in last session that in this choreography we have to concentrate more on our expressions also. Tu mera karam hua re. So here I need expressions. Okay. So first we have finished here. Then hole hole zindagi inside to wave na 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 le karu sanam down look tu mera sanam hua re sanam re sanam re tu mera sanam hua re करम रे तू मेरा करम हुआ रे सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे. Okay, so all the step I have done without music, and now we will try to do it with the music. Last session, last step.
हौले हौले जिंदगी को अब तेरे हवाले करूं सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे करम रे तेरा मुझ पे करम हुआ रे सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे.
So little bit, one beat I have left, and it is करम रे तू मेरा करम हुआ रे. So only karam re. This much we left. So I think it is very much clear. Karam re tu mera karam hua re. Fine. So this much is enough for today's session, and here we have finished our arm choreography, or you can say sitting choreography. Next week we will meet with some other thing, and till then keep dancing. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.